Peter, what a fabulous stand at EMO 2019. There's more products here, but tell me a little bit about the German market at the moment.
Well, we have an office. We have an office in Dusseldorf with around 40 staff. We've been in Germany for quite some time, but quite honest, we've seen our market share increase quite considerably over the last 10 years. And that's why we're here. It's Hanover. Mostly visitors coming to the exhibition here at EMO are going to be German. So we're just carrying on, increasing our market share, trying to get as many inquiries as we can, because once we get an inquiry and we do a demonstration, we got the customer.
It's been a busy year for you with the Sodick Europe HQ, the new facility there, the opportunity to show some of your other machines, like the die mould machines, for instance. Is this the sort of thing that we're going to see at other exhibitions from Sodick over the next few years?
It is. The injection moulding machine is the machine that we've been waiting for a number of years. It's a market that we're not currently in Europe, but we've been selling the injection moulding machines in the Far East, in Japan, for quite some time now. Again, we're top end, high accuracy, so it's a market we want to be in. Medical, that's where we're aiming at, and we are at the K show actually, which is in the next month. Actually, it's in October, so we are there in Dusseldorf.
Many people will know Sodick for your EDM solutions, but the type of machines that you've got, like the OPM machine with additive manufacturing, the mould and die market, these sort of bring new players into the marketplace, don't they? So from your point of view, with regards to exhibitions going forward, open houses, is this really about selling Sodick full portfolio of machines now?
Well, actually not. There is the link, because the additive manufacturing machine will be making the mould with the cooling channels in the correct place, where we couldn't previously do that with the methods that were there previously. And here at EMO we're showing the additive manufacturing machine with the injection moulding machine, and it's got the die on the moulding machine that we've made on the OPM, which is our additive manufacturing machine. So that's the link.
Now, in the future, you've got the open house in November, you've got MAC 2020 coming up. Are we seeing Sodick show the extent even in the UK next year as well?
Well, we can't wait for MAC 2020. This is our chance to really put ourselves in the front. You know, we've got just under 500 square meters at MAC 2020. We're going to show all the products, and we're going to show some new things. This is Sodick. We're here, and we're here to stay.
And any engineers that don't know Sodick but want to see the portfolio but don't see you at some of these exhibitions, what can you actually offer them at Sodick Europe HQ in Warwickshire?
Well, in our showroom we've got all the products. We haven't got the complete range because we'd need a huge showroom for that, but you can see all the products that we currently manufacture in our showroom, which is, as you know, which is temperature controlled, and we can produce parts for customers with the ultimate accuracy.